Hello dear student, welcome back to English class. Yes dear students, in the last class we completed our second chapter. In today's class we are going to learn the grammar part, that is collocation. So do you have any idea what is the collocation? Yes, that is our grammar part, that is collocation. So collocation means what? We have to see even which words we are using as a collocation, and even here you have exercise, yes, on page number 16. Page number 16. So one table they given, and what you have to do? Table they given, and with that what they given? See, yes, food items they given. So with table food items are there, yes, like apple, then cheese, paneer, then roti and orange. These food item they given. What we have to do? Adjectives. Which are adjectives given into the upside table? On table they given a different adjective. Yes, ripe, then tasty, then oily. Yes, so these all adjective for which food item is useful, we have to, or match, we have to write down there, and we have to complete the table. First we have to see what is collocation. Collocation means what? Yes, collocation is a group of words. It is a group of words that usually go together. That usually we are writing go to, means together we are writing. Even some words fit together and some words not fit. Some not fit together. So it is called as collocation. So here I will write collocation. What is collocation? What is collocation? Yes, so collocation means what I told you? It is a group of words. Collocation, it is a group of words group of words that usually go together. That usually go together. Together means we are writing together words are called as collocation. Here some words, some words fit together. Some words fit together and some not. Some not. Some fit together, some not. So here we have to see example of the collocation. Now if a train is there and train is very fast, what we can write here? We can write there, yes, which words we can write? Super fast train. Super fast train. So this is called as collocation, means some words are fit together. Yes, some fits together. One more example I will tell you. Worked hard. Worked hard. So super fast train you are writing. See, we can write like that. Quick train. This is fit together or no? No. Which is good for that? Super fast train or quick train? Yes, super fast train is good to pronounce, but quick train is not too much giving impact. So some are not fitting together. So worked hard. Even we can use the example that heavy rain. Heavy rain. So instead of heavy rain, you can write that. Tell me, strong rain. It is good, or which is the good? So heavy rain is correct. So this is not, sometimes we can't use the strong word with the rain. Yes, it is not giving more impact. Yes, even cheer, here I will write cheered loudly. cheered loudly. Means we are cheering loudly. Even you can say that miss the bus. Miss, I miss the bus. Which is correct? Miss the bus or lost the bus? Which one correct? Miss the bus or lost the bus? Yes, lost or lost means we lost the bus. Which is the correct? Yes, miss the bus is proper. Lost the bus is not giving more impact. Got it? So these words called as collocation. So what is the collocation? Yes, tell me. Collocations are collocation is a group of words that usually go together or fit together. Okay, so that is called as collocation. So here, as per this, in English, we are using see like that, heavy rain. I written here first that heavy rain instead of strong rain. Instead of strong rain. So it is not giving more impact. So these are called as collocation. Now on page number 16 is there. We are going to see very quickly. Let's see. Yes, what they given? A table they given. So what they see using what? Describe the food items in the table with adjectives from the box. You can use the adjective more than once. So here in down they given one table. See which adjective they given. See ripe, fatty, sweet, hard, juicy. Here tough, oily, sour, mild, tender, salty and hot. So these adjectives they given, and downside one table they given. So in that table they given food items. Yes, which food item they given? See apple, samosa and cheese, and here right corner dish paneer, orange and roti. These food item they given, and in the left corner one they solve. See if we have to describe about the apple, about its taste. So how we can describe it? Yes, we can describe by using this upside tables adjective. Like it is ripe, sour, then sweet and juicy. So apple. What was the qualities of apple? Here they written. So like that we have to write down this table. We have to, if you get the picture, yes, you just draw this picture. Otherwise, if you can get a ready-made picture, you can cut it and you can paste in the column, and you have to make it the table. You have to write down the qualities. So here I will explain you the qualities. Yes, first I will draw a small table. First I will draw here table. So food item they given here. So we have to find out the qualities. I'll write down directly name of the particular. See here I will write apple. Here samosa. Next one cheese. Or I can write here. See here what they written. Cheese, and here I will write the quality directly in front of the particular food item. I will write the qualities. Here I will write apple. Which qualities have apple? So here they given one example. Sour, sweet and juicy. Yes, juicy. So here these quality they given for apple. Now the second food item is samosa. So you have to write down it. Yes, what are the qualities? Here see from the table you can find out it. Yes. So oily, hot, even fatty and salty. These qualities we can write here. I'll write here. Oily, then you can write down hot, fatty and salty. Next, see third food item, that is cheese. Cheese, tell me which qualities have cheese? That is fatty and mild. Got it? Now you have to draw this table. Yes, you have to just take the pictures and you have to cut it and you have to paste on it, okay, in your notebook. Next, that is dish paneer. Dish paneer. Do you like to eat it? Yes, everybody likes to eat dish paneer. Yes, so which adjectives we can write for is? Yes, mild. Mild and oily also. These two quality we can write. Next, see here. Next, which is the next fruit? Orange. Orange. So for orange, what we can write? Sweet, sour, then juicy. Yes, we can write for them, say orange. For orange, we can write sweet, sour, juicy. And this. Next, one more food item, which one? Roti. Roti, yes, hot and tender. Roti, hot, and you can write tender. Okay, so here even you can write another words also, another adjectives also. Okay, you can write it, no issue. So what you have to do, you have to draw this table. See here, you can see the table. So you have to draw it as it is in your notebook. You have to just paste the images of this food item and you can write their adjective which for particular food item. Got it? From the box you can write lots of what you are feeling, you have to write it. Okay, so complete this homework and send it to me. Okay, here we will stop. Thank you.